Hi Steve, thanks for joining us today in the studio. Really enjoyed the opportunity to take a little bit of a look at your swing. Just to review the key points. To help quality contact and regular contact, you need to keep an eye on your body pivot. We've obviously got the 2D image here, but we also use 3D. You can see that you have quite a bit of sway off the ball, and with the 3D analysis, that was around 4 inches of sway. You've also got quite a considerable amount of lift, which is upwards away from the floor in that direction. So you've got quite a lot of sway, 4 inches this way, and you had a couple of inches of lift in this direction also. You've also got a little bit of thrust towards the ball, which is why you can throw in the odd, I know it's only very odd, but as you said, it's in there, the odd shank as well. So if we look at the right hand image, if I drop a line on your tailbone, in the backswing you move toward the ball around 2.5 inches, and we know that because that's been measured. So we did do a little bit of work on the leaderboard training aid, where we tried to keep you a little bit more stable with your rotation. Just wind this back to the start. Actually, I wasn't hitting any shots here. Obviously, just trying to work on a couple of things. You can see how much more stable you're staying. And we're also encouraging you to feel like you've got a little bit more pressure loaded into your right heel. So that's the first thing we took a look at. Your poor shot, your miss, your bad shot is predominantly to the left, where you say that you pull the ball. The ball will go wherever the face tells it to go. We took quite a bit of TrackMan data, and you could see that the club face was predominantly closed, which matches up to why you hit the ball left. So we've got to come up with a way of trying to keep the face a little more open through the impact interval with the golf ball. And to manage that, we discussed the rotation of your lower body into impact. And you can see the body is basically stopped. Our 3D has helped us to understand that your actual legs are pointing a little bit closed at impact, and then the rest of your body is marginally open, only 2, 3, 4 degrees, and you can kind of see that on the left hand side as well, how everything is square on. So we just did a few drills to try and encourage you to keep turning and rotating through the ball, to manage your club face and how closed your club face is through the ball. We want to try and remove any wrap over of the club face. You've got plenty to work on there, Steve. I know Andy will help you along with that. If you need any more help, or you want to have another look at that, please don't hesitate and give us a shout. I'd love some feedback. No doubt I'll get some from Andy. Speak to you soon. Cheers.